This is coming in the front door. And there's fireplace number 1, living room number 1. Dining room number 1. The bedrooms. John.
Kitchen.
Telling me to get in the kitchen. Bathroom.
Kitchen.
Bathroom.
How about, is there like 4 bathrooms in here?
Yep.
Wow.
Bedroom number 1. This will be Jordan's bedroom. See the puppy. Okay. Bedroom number 2. Emily's bedroom. Bedroom number 3. Alex's bedroom. You go through Alex's bedroom. Bathroom.
You're gonna cut out.
Bathroom. Hi.
Where are you showing?
Brooke's room.
Hi.
Brooke's laundry room.
Brooke's broom closet. Look. What?
Brooke's kitchen.
Brooke's broom closet.
Okay, let's see. Brooke's kitchen.
Where are you showing this to?
Brooke's living area.
Brooke's back porch. Brooke's front porch. Brooke's bed. Brooke's TV.
Okay. All right. So you come out of this kitchen.
Not let the cat out.
And
Let the
here's
dog go.
come on, Bella. Living room. Living room. And Brooke's room. Living room. Porch.
Why?
Come on, Bella. Our kitchen. Bathroom. Kitchen. Laundry room. Look how big this place is. Skylight 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, there's Brooke's door. And you come over here. And this is the room leading into our bedroom. And this is our bedroom. And this is like the rec room. Okay. Closet. Staircase. Okay. It's dark. This is our bedroom. There is the overlook. Okay. This is the office. And this is outside. I'll show you again tomorrow whenever it's lit. Big porch. Steps. 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 Porch.
Yeah,
Jason and Todd. Say hi, boys. You're on a video. Hi. There's Jordan. Gotcha. Okay.
Take a video of it. A video.
Go over here to the living room.
This is all living room.
Emily, laundry room, birds,
Everybody,
kitchen, dining room, and back we are to the front door. And that took 5 minutes.